Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the store page, from which you can just click on the search box and then type in Sleeping Dogs and begin your search. There are two different versions of the game, including the base version or the definitive edition. Choose your preferred version of the game, and once you are taken into the game page, you can watch the trailer and check the reviews as well. In order to purchase the game, scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button. And now from your card page, click on Continue to Payment to choose your payment method. After selecting your payment method, you will need to enter your credentials. If you have chosen PayPal, for instance, just log into your PayPal account by entering your email address or phone number and your password. After logging in and verifying your purchase, the game will then be added to your library, and you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. After the installation is done, you can start playing the Sleeping Dogs game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.